Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher, and today I wanted to do a lesson based on a video that I saw of a student playing. I'll link it in the description. The student's name is Galvanatrix. I don't think the student wanted feedback. There was a Reddit thread called "How Fast Can You Play the Name of the Song, Minka?" and he linked to some sheet music and a video of him playing it through twice. This isn't about you playing it. You played it really well. You played it nicely. You're reading the sheet music. Your right hand's moving really well. Again, I don't think you're looking for feedback, but I thought let's take this as a learning opportunity. I'll play, right, whenever I see this question of how fast can you play, I'm like, oh, it's kind of a challenge. But I thought, let me show you how I would go through playing this piece, and then we'll take the lesson into what is it like to play something quickly. And then what would I do with this lesson, with this piece? You as a beginner might have played this piece. This looks like it's part of a beginner accordion book. I'll talk through the process. So let's listen to Galvanatrix. Thank you for posting this video. Let's play it. And he plays it again. Good. Very nice, Galvanatrix. I'm going to pull up the sheet music. I'll link to it. I'll link to the Reddit post just because it's not my book. But the piece goes like this. Yeah, right? Let me talk you through what's happening here. So the question was, how fast can you play it? The introduction to the song says moderately slow, but if the question was how fast, I'm gonna read the sheet music just to make sure I'm playing it right, and then I'm gonna look away from the sheet music, right? Because there are two lines, fairly straightforward song. Good, that's the song, right? Good. So step one is, can I internalize the song? Yes. Why is that? Because I've played it. I can sing it back. I've listened to it a few times now. And I understand the song structure. What do I mean by structure? Where am I going with this? In order to play it quickly, one recommendation is to step away from the sheet music. Maybe use it as a reference, but then can I play the first two lines? Good. 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 Slowly. Good. And then the next part is the same thing, right? The same structure. I have some recommendations in learning a song to try and see the similarities between lines. What's the theme? It's do 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 da da da, and then the same thing a bit lower. Do 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 do. Back to the first one. Do 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 do, and then an ending. Good. We could see that and we can play it, and that means that I don't need the sheet music anymore. The left hand, I can also try and memorize. I see that it's a C minor, ba 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 ba, G major, right? Da 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 da, G major, C minor. Can I do that? Great. Again, I've stepped away from the sheet music. Now I could start working on my speed, if that's what I want, by repeating those sections quickly. That's fast enough for me. Next. That last part is a G major triad, right? I do my exercises. G major. I'm familiar with that form. Good. So together. as fast as I want to play it. Good. Where do I go from here? If I'm a student, this song was presented to me. Great. Just like Galvanatrix, I know it, right? Galvanatrix, you know it. Try and internalize it and memorize it. Great. What I want to do, and again, I've been playing for a long time, is I want to expand on the song. Not necessarily play it faster, but play it more beautifully. Play it with more expression. Maybe add some multi-fingered melody to it. So here's where I would take it. I know that the chords are C minor, da 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 da, G major, ba 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 ba. And I'm just basing that off what the left hand is doing. Da 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 da. Let's improvise on it, right? Multi-finger. Right, so different ideas over there. We start off with multi-fingered. Do I know the C minor chord? Yeah, C minor. G major. There's a variation. Starting to play around with those rhythms. Da, ba, 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 da, da, da. I know a waltz. I know the two chords in this song. Because I know the chord structure, so I could try and fit in a melody. Right, so playing with dynamics. I think an important part of practice, sure, go for speed, but I think introducing dynamics is a next step. It's a next step to bringing life into your playing. I received a few emails this week from students saying, can I give them feedback about their playing and how can I do this in this song? And Galvanatrix, I know you didn't ask for feedback, but I always tell students one place to improve your playing is just to start to introduce those multi-fingered melodies, to start to introduce dynamics, to look away from the sheet music, to understand the song. 2 chords, C minor and G major, 2 lines of melody, try and memorize them bit by bit, and then to bring play into your practice and song. I have a few sections on Accordion Love that discuss these concepts. Have a look through my previous YouTube videos, but in general, that's what I do as a musician. I'm not sure how much I did it as a student, but I remember taking songs, memorizing them, and then just playing around with them too, right? Yeah, really nice song. Thanks for sharing it, Galvanatrix. I hope you don't mind too much that we took you as an example. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.